My name is George Kurtz. I'm one of the co-drivers of the 04 AMG Mercedes-Benz GT3 car. My co-driver is Colin Brown, and we're really excited to have Ceramic Pro as one of our sponsors. About 10 years ago, I started racing in Radicals, which is an open cockpit car, and just progressed up through the ranks and finally got to the GT3, the big league, and we're having a great time. This is our first season at GT3. I've run GT4 for a number of years. I won the championship in 2017, so we're really excited about this season and what the future holds for us. Well, the Ceramic Pro product is amazing. We've got it on the car, we've got it on our street cars, and one of the big things that people don't realize is how much rubber actually gets on the car. So we've been able to coat the car, and literally with just a rag everything comes off. It's been amazing, and we're delighted to have Ceramic Pro as one of our sponsors. It's a fantastic product. There's a lot of coatings out there, but we certainly think it's the best. Our team thinks it's the best, and it's proven itself on the racetrack.